Welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will discuss this question. So question say a force F of 3 Newton is acting on a 5 kg block, and also friction between two block, the coefficient of friction is given 0.1, and the friction coefficient of below block and the surface is 0, which means there is no friction on the bottom. Now the following question are asked. The first question is about the velocity of center of mass of the system, and second question is about the acceleration of center of mass at a given time at 5 seconds. Okay, so before jumping on to the velocity, let us see the acceleration of center of mass. Okay, so if we consider we are considering the 5 kg mass and 10 kg mass as a system, right? So if we consider this is as a system, and if you find the external force acting on the system, so there is an external force 3t Newton is acting, right? And there is another force in between the two blocks, right? 5 kg and 10 kg, but this is the internal force. Okay, and also the bottom one and this surface is a frictionless, so there is no external force other than 3t Newton, right? So by that manner you can easily find the center of acceleration without doing much calculation. It will be the total external force divided by total mass of the system. So total external force is 3t and total mass of a system is 12 kg, right? This is center of mass. Okay, and they have asked about the center of acceleration, center of mass at t equal to 5 seconds. So put the value t equal to 5 and you will get 3 into 5 divided by 15, and that is 1 meter per second square. So the correct option out of C and D will be C. Okay, because we are considering 5 kg and 10 kg as a whole system. Okay, now come to the AB part. So in the AB part they are interested in finding the velocity of center of mass. So to find the velocity we will draw the FBD diagram of this. Okay, so this is a 5 kg block, 3t force is acting, and there is also frictional force, right? And if you consider 15 kg block, there is also frictional force. Okay, so there will be two scenarios, right? One, when the both block are moving with the same velocity, and second, when the both block will have some relative motion, right? So first condition, when both blocks move with same velocity. So up to which point they will move with the same velocity? Up to point when the frictional force is sufficient to bring the sufficient enough to get a same acceleration in both blocks, right? So what if you find for a first block, if you write the equation, this will be the FA1 should equal to 3t minus F, and for second block this is 10 kg mass, it will be only F, right? So if they are moving with the same velocity, acceleration of both will be same. By that manner you can get an equation like F by 10, so 6t equal to 3F, which means F is equal to 2t. Okay, and what is the maximum frictional force we can get? F max equal to mu multiplied normal acting on it. So mu is 0.1 and normal is 15 Newton, right? Gravity. So this is a 5 Newton. Okay, so for time we will get 5 Newton divided by 2. It is a 2.5 second. So up to 2.5 second they are moving with the same velocity as well as same acceleration, and both are moving simultaneously. Okay, now come to the question. They are interested in finding the velocity of center of mass at 2.5 second. So if they have given the 3 second, t equal to 3 second, then we have to solve this question in two parts. But they have given time equal to 2.5 second, then we only have to consider that they are moving with the same velocity on the first part, right? So what will be the acceleration of this body? The external force is acting and total mass of body is 15, right? Because they are both the body are moving acting as the same one block, right? So the acceleration of system will be the t by 5. And what is the acceleration? dv by dt, that is t by 5. Okay, then dv will equal to 1 by 5 t dt, and initially velocity is 0 and go to v, initial time 0 to 2.5 second. Then we will get v equal to 1 by 5 t square by 2, which is 10 divided by t square, and while t is equal to 2.5 square divided by 10. If you square 2.5 you will get 6.25 by 10. This is equal to 0.625 meter per second. Okay, so the correct option will be the 0.625, right? So in this question the correct answer are A, C. Okay.